So yesterday, DJI teased us with 3 products coming soon. Good things coming threes, but unfortunately, one of them isn't the DJI Mini 3. So the DJI Photo, good things coming threes. If you've not seen it, I'll put it on the screen now. And this shows 3 parts of all of the 3 products coming and also the dates attached. Now DJI don't normally do this type of marketing. Now some have rushed out and said that these 3 products, one of them is a DJI Mini 3, but unfortunately it doesn't take a rocket scientist to determine that this isn't the case. So let's go through the 3 different photos now and we'll discuss which each one is going to be. So the first product is going to be released on October 20th, and this is going to be a refresh of the DJI Ronin. So if you look here at the record button, this symbolises the high-end work and the cinematography that takes place with that DJI Ronin series. Expected to be the DJI Ronin Pro, this high-end gimbal or high-end cinema camera is going to be a fantastic camera for any pros out there who use this for cinematography, filmmaking. It's going to be a hit. But for us out there, we don't really need it. I don't really need that to be filming these videos. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be expensive, but we'll move on straight away to point 2. Now the second photo shows these 8 bumps. Now the widely talked about and rumoured refresh of the DJI Action, so the DJI Action2 or the OA2. Now this is going to be really similar, kind of a copy of the Insta360 1R, and it's going to be a modular design camera where you can customise it, you can have different screens and different clip-on attachments. Now if we look at all these rumoured photos, you'll see the 8 little bumps on top of the main actual camera, and this is where you're going to be attaching different parts to it. So this obviously shows that this is going to be the DJI Action 2, releasing on October 27th. Now the last one, the big one, so we see here that there are 4 lights, and we know those 4 lights indicate some sort of drone battery, but from all the rumours we've seen, it matches the actual shape and the colour, the lights of the DJI Mavic 3, releasing it on November 5th. Not far away, but it's into November. You've still got now a few weeks to literally sell everything and to save up for this. This drone is going to be expensive, starting probably around the $2,000, £2,000 mark. You know, but it's going to be probably the best drone you ever will have, ever need. It's going to last you for a number of years. I'm going to have my own CE stamp on this, but it's going to be amazing. Expensive, yes, but it's going to be mind-blowing. So them 3 products, so we've got the refresh of the Ronin Pro, the Osmo Action 2 and the Mavic 3 Pro. Are you going to get any of those 3? I can't wait personally for that Mavic 3 Pro, and the Action 2 does look a really cool camera. It's going to be a big competitor to the GoPro and to Insta360. For me, I don't really need that Ronin Pro, but I do admire it and I would love to get one day. But 2 products definitely I do want to pick up are the last 2. So 3 things there, and good things certainly from DJI coming threes. What didn't make the cut though was that DJI Mini 3. So the refresh of that Mini 2, which we're expecting to see in October, November, looks really unlikely. Now DJI don't normally advertise and launch 3 products all together like they are doing now, but they also don't do the Apple of one more thing either. So it's really unlikely to see that this launch of these 3 products and then at the end of, say, that Mavic 3 announcement is one more thing and when we see this Mini 3. The Mavic 3 Pro will be that hero drone, and it's really unlikely for the Mini 3 to get its own launch on its own. Potentially, yes. DJI are always one step ahead. They've always got an ace up their sleeves. So they could launch it towards the end of November, December time, but I think it's really unlikely. We haven't seen any concrete leaks. We haven't seen any rumours of this really. So it's looked like that's going to be pushed back to next year. And DJI will concentrate and market and advertise to the hell these 3 products that are going to be coming out. 3 awesome products. And potentially that Mini 3 due to chip shortages, or they're just waiting to see maybe how the Autel does and then push it back to next year. So this does leave a bit of a headache for you guys out there, or for the holiday season coming up and you're wanting a new drone or a refresh of your Mini 2. With Autel's drones coming out in a couple of weeks, these new sub 250 gram drones certainly look fantastic on paper, spec wise better than that Mini 2. We are going to see a Mini 3, but just not yet. So out of these products coming up, are you going to be picking up any of these? Are you thinking about getting that Autel drone now if that Mini 3 has been pushed back? Let me know in the comments down below what you're excited to see. And if you do have a Mini 2 or you don't have one and you can get one on offer with Black Friday sales coming up and you're interested to see what it's like in the mountains, I'll put this link up here. This is what the Mini 2 did in the Welsh mountains. And if you have any drone you want to make some money, I'll link it up here. This is how you can make some money. Definitely need to make some money to save up for that Mavic 3 Pro. But I can't wait for these products to be coming out. What about you? Let me know and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.